And my swag super drip. I'm the shit, yeah, I'm the shit.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be glamming my face. As you can see, I don't have any makeup on, so I'm gonna be glamming it. I have all my products literally everywhere, all on my bed, on the table. I have my handy dandy little mirror right in front of me so I can see what I'm doing. I'm all like, you know, looking down or something. You can't see what I'm doing because I've done that mistake many times before in my videos. So yeah, if you guys don't know who I am and it's your first time coming across my channel, my name is Eva and this is my channel. So if you want to see more videos from me, please subscribe wherever the subscribe button is. If you want to turn on my notifications, I'm gonna try posting now as much as I can, and I'm gonna be doing glam and gore makeup and stuff like that, so I hope you guys enjoy that. And let's get into this video before the intro ends up being like 2 minutes long.
Without you, I fade out. Without strength, without love, I lose sense, I lose sight.
So I'm gonna be using a beauty blender for my foundation and obviously contour and stuff. It's quite dirty. I did try to wash it, it didn't work, so not my problemo, you know what I'm saying? So I do kind of have like a little tan from my holidays still, so I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Coverage. This is in the shade Fair. It's not that fair, it's actually like yellow tone, like it's quite darkish on the skin. But I use this when I'm tan. I can't use this when I'm pale and don't have a tan because I look like a orange tomato. See, it's not that pale, you know. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my face. I've also primed my face, but I didn't film myself putting on primer, because when I apply primer I need to go wash my hands instantly because I do not like that silicone touch on my hands. I know that sounds weird, but I just really don't like it. So yeah, I'm gonna be going on holidays next month and then September, so I might vlog, I don't know, it really depends. I probably won't vlog in the August thingy holiday because I'm probably gonna just turn up with my friends, but I might vlog when I go to the one in September because I'm gonna be there for a week. So I thought maybe it can be a mini vlog and I can show you guys what's up. I'm actually going to my hometown in September, so I don't know, maybe I'll get a chance to vlog bits and bobs. That'd be really fun. Even though my face gets oily, this is actually not a bad foundation. This foundation is actually not that expensive and it's really affordable, so I really do recommend this foundation if you have dry skin, because this is like a dewy kind of thing. But once it's like medium to full coverage. For my concealer I used the Catrice Camouflage High Coverage Concealer because I ran out of my Revolution one and I haven't gone to the store to buy more because I'm being lazy. And all my money on my card I've spent on Twitch. I don't play on Twitch, but I watch certain people play on it, so I kind of just wasted my money on that, and my mama finds out she's gonna kill me, but you know, I'm just supporting and stuff. I'm like debating if I should subscribe to a certain someone or not, you know, because your girl's currently like broke, kind of, I don't know. So yeah, I look amazing right now, so I'm just gonna blend the concealer with my beauty blender, and then I'm gonna put on contour, and then I'm gonna blend the living crap out of my face. So I'm gonna turn like the sponge around and literally just use the Benefit Boy. I don't know, I think these are like concealers for darker skin, but I use it as a contour because I bought it for Christmas, not Christmas, my birthday. It was too dark for me, so I just use this as a contour. I also have the foundation too. It's a medium kind of color. It's too dark for me, so I'd use that for contour maybe, or on clients, because I'm gonna have a client soon and your girl is low-key not prepared because I've never done bridal makeup. Like this you know, bridal ain't a joke when it comes to like makeup. I'm obviously gonna get makeup on this band if people are gonna comment like saying, oh girl, that's nasty, I know. But yeah, I've never done bridal in my entire life, so if I fuck up, I fuck up, you know. But I can't really like mess up the makeup because it is bridal. I'm doing bridesmaid makeup. Never done in my life. Will I mess up? Don't know. Hopefully not, because I know what I'm doing, kind of. Not kind of, but I do know what I'm doing. Yeah, and I'm meant to do the hair also, so that's gonna be cool, great. Like, do I know how to do, like, do you know, can't English today. Do I know how to do hairstyles and all, like braiding and all? Nope. So that's gonna be interesting. Should I film this and put it on YouTube and be on like hairdressers reacting to hairdressing like fails? Yeah, totally. Girl, work that. Oh, then I'm gonna take my Clinique. If I pronounce any of the names wrong, I'm sorry. I'm just not the best at pronouncing names, as phase adapt. I'm gonna be using the Ivory anti-blemish solution powder makeup. Powder, I don't know. This is a powder for like setting your face, but I use it as a contour because it's actually so dark. So I just use it as a contour, and that's the dealio. So I'm just gonna contour my cheekbones and my forehead and all that jazz. I will try my best to contour my nose. I've been doing it for like 2 days straight right now, but it's not turning out the greatest, but it's actually not that bad. I've never used to do my nose contour, but recently I kind of want to because my nose just looks kind of weird at the moment. I don't know. I mean, my nose has been always like this. It's just, I don't know, guys. You know how it is. I want to get that sister snatch, you know. I really don't know how to nose contour like properly. So if I mess this up, you can tell James Turrell about me, like how she cannot sister snatch a nose. Then I'm gonna take my MAC Fix Plus and just spray the living crap out of my face, and then I'm gonna do my brows off camera, and I'm gonna be back with you guys for my eyeshadow and then eyelashes and highlighter, and then we're gonna be done. And the lips. I don't usually do lips. It's not my thing. I don't know, but I sometimes like overline the living crap out of my lips because my lips are so small. So yeah, let's Fix Plus my face. Beautiful. I'm gonna put on highlighter now, actually, so we get a good result in that area. I'm gonna actually use the Jaclyn Hill highlighter here. It's not a highlighter, but like it's an eyeshadow, but we're gonna use it as a highlighter. Doesn't tell the MAC Fix Plus, so it kind of sets into the Fix Plus and just gives us this natural kind of glowy, dewy look. Okay guys, so I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyeshadow. Not eyeshadow, Jesus my lord. So I'm gonna go off camera and do my what is wrong with me? Okay guys, so I'm gonna go off camera and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back with you all. Bam! She got her snatchy latchy eyebrows. Oh, what the hell was that? I don't know, but we're gonna go and do some eyeshadow. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Do I know what I'm doing with my eyeshadow yet? I have no clue. We're just gonna go with the flow and see what we come up with. I'll be using the Jaclyn Hill eyeshadow palette. Obviously, I use this palette like every time, every day. I'm gonna go in with this shade over here, the shade I used originally for my blush on the cheeks, and we're gonna put this as a translucent shade. Okay, so I'm gonna put the color into my crease area. I like to open my eye and just kind of put the color here so I know where how much color I have to put because my eyes are kind of hooded, so I want the color to come through and show itself, you know what I'm saying? I'm probably gonna just show you one eye on how I do it and then probably do the other eye off camera just to save time for you and me. I'm gonna take the blending brush again. Yes, I'm using the same blending brush. Kill me. Sue me. I'm gonna use this brown shade right here. It's quite yellow toned, so I'll see how that goes. Pray to God I don't mess this up because then I'm pretty fucked. I'm just gonna apply this to my crease area and blend. I'm gonna build it up by color, pigment, whatever, as I go little by little because I don't want to do damages, because fixing these type of damages is quite difficult. So I'm just going slow at this. Eva, what are you talking about sometimes? The majority of the time I don't know what I'm talking about.
I'm just gonna go with circular motions, swish, 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 swish.
I'm gonna take this quite brown, I don't know what this is, like a brown wine mixed color. I like it, so I'm gonna use it, and she's gonna apply that to the eyelid area and build up the color, and then she's gonna take a blending brush and she's going to blend the life and soul out of the eye. Yeah, I don't think I'm gonna put any shimmer in my eye shadow look today because I kind of want it like matte, you know what I'm saying? So then I'm gonna take this brown shade right here and put it in like this area right here, just kind of to make it, I don't know, just make it pop, make it dark, you know, pop it, lock it, you know what I'm saying? No, I don't. I'm gonna take a small brush and go back to that orangey brown tone and put it in the eyelid area just to mix it up a notch, so it looks quite different, I guess. I'm not going to put shimmer on my eyes, as I said earlier. I want this to be a matte look. I'm probably going to do some eyeliner too, so yeah. I'm gonna also put that brown shade under my eyes. This is the difficult part. I need my mirror like close by. I'm gonna take a blending brush and just dip into the shade right over here, and I'm gonna just put it in the inner corner just to give my eye a little bit of pop. Not too much there because she does not want to go too extreme. I'm gonna put it on my brow bone also. Just tiny bit, you know, to just make that brown bone hoop, and that's it. A true makeup artist right here. I'm actually a qualified makeup artist. I have my diploma if you want to see it. So this is the eye makeup look I'm gonna go for today. It's not too much like bam bam out there, you know. It's quite simple. I'd wear this every day. I like it. It's quite I'm gonna go off camera. I'm gonna finish the eye makeup, gonna do my lashes, maybe I'm gonna do eyeliner, and I'll be back with you guys, and I'm gonna do my lips. So yeah, I'll tell you when I'm back what products I used, and then we're gonna finish up the video and talk a tiny bit. So yeah, I'll be right back. So this is the finished look. I know it's not like glam, it's not like wow. This is more of a like kind of like an everyday look for me, to be honest. I've been doing this look for a while, like not exactly the same eyeshadow and all, but the foundation routine and all is the same. It's just the eyes are different. I'm using the Charlotte eyelashes. I'm not too sure on what they're called, but I'll put in the description down below if you guys want to check them out. I use the Maybelline, the 100% Black Mascara Volume Express, the Colos, I don't know how to spell it, spell it, wow, Eva, you're smart. But this is the mascara that I used. I then used the Inglot lip liner in shade 63, but I took it out because it came out shit, so I didn't continue to use it. The Inglot Kohl Pencil in shade 5, the Kohl Pencil in shade 1 for my eyeliner and stuff like that, whatever. And then I use a duo glue for my eyelashes. So yeah, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me. This video is not even little, it's probably like 10-12 minutes long. I don't know, I'll have to still edit it, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me glam myself up. But yeah, if I were to go to a glam beauty cone or something like that, I'd probably do this makeup, to be honest. This makeup is just my go-to. I don't know, I feel like sometimes the glitter makeup kind of just makes my eyes look weird. I don't know. But yeah, I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Skadoodle!